Stop by and take a look at the 2014 MDX. The Acura MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV. Thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, navigation system, power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.